It's not tornado possible.
The National Weather Service.
Pittsburgh's gonna have a doubleheader. Ah! All right. Okay, we get KDK. As long as woman, I feel lived in fantasy. The love was a callback for a scorpion. The venom stole her sanity. I'm not gonna sing that. I don't want to risk getting copyrighted. Oh, Westmoreland.
County, Lawrence. National Weather.
No, it's not easy.
We're expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding,
Well,
thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Palmer City, Apollo, Elwood City, Alaska, Northview, Meridian, Ford City, Meadowood, Oak Hills, Leechburg. Northview, Meridian, Ford City, Meadowood, Oak Hills, Leechburg, Calvert, Freeport, Rhinebeck, and West Katanning. Turn around. Don't drive when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county, Lawrence.
I'm gonna turn all these off. I can hear KDK.
Weather message. Severe thunderstorm warning is canceled for South Central Mercer County. This warning was about to the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. However, or on your smart speaker, just say, Alexa, play on 101. The best part, we're free.
I don't feel like getting another copyright.
1 hour.
Oh. I think it's about time we bring in a G-storm.
Western Pennsylvania, southeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Florida.
Oh, 10:50.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued
Yeah, let's listen to Taylor Swift.
Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northeastern Beaver County.
Hot 101. Young Sounds hottest hits.
16 miles per hour.
Not today,
The
Dracula.
storm is capable of producing damaging winds.
Cool. Let me enjoy my Coke. There. I don't know if I'll see the next time.
A flash flood warning.
You got some Coke.
For the following counties in Ohio, Carroll and Columbiana, and Lawrence.
That was Columbiana. Oh.
Northeastern has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour.
Oh yeah, I got these today. Anyway, I got Radic Dick today at a flea market in Tiger. Also Darren Hart Jr. Cup. I'm making an announcement that I'm doing a NASMAR Community Cup Series race. I'm sure you know what that is. If I get chosen, it's going to be either Gateway, Kansas, or Talladega. So, yeah. Wait a fucking minute, was this? Wait. That was one. Oh, look, this is free. Oh well. I think I just saw the weirdest EAS activation ever. That wasn't even a flash flood warning. Dumb fuck.
Yep, 50. Can't believe.
50 fucking billion.
Great segue. We have a health reminder from the CDC.
Don't. Sick and tired of subscription fees?
And 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5.
I think Cleveland issued the most random. No.
Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Akron, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Kent, Hudson, Talbot, Rockport, flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services.
Neither.
Keystone has a shredding recycling division in which blind and visually impaired employees shred and bale up to 2,000 pounds per day. Securing your documents are of the utmost importance to us.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Of 27 cents per pound. Minimums are required for service outside the local area. This is the production facility on
Okay, so I think J56 might have issued the weirdest flash flood warning ever. They didn't even do the alert sound. They just stated that the flood warning, the flood guys is going up to a flash flood warning for Portage and Summit. Who the fuck's idea was that?